Words on TV, words for books, words of comfort, words of peace, words to make the fighting cease, words to tell you what to do. Words are working hard for you. Eat your words, but don't go hungry. Words have always nearly hung me. Raised with a fast pace. Concrete words, abstract words, crazy words and lying words, hazy words and dying words, words of faith and tell me straight, rare words and swear words, good words and bad words. Words of nuance, words of skill, and words of romance are of note. Words are stupid, words are fun. Words can put you on the run. Mots pressés, mots sensés, mots qui disent la vérité. Mots maudits, mots mentis, mots qui manquent le fruit d'esprit. Can make you pay and pay for letter words I cannot say. Words are trouble, words are subtle, words of anger, words of hate, words over here, in the air and everywhere. Words of wisdom, words of strife, words that write the book I like. Words will find the right solution to the planet Earth pollution. Say the right word, make a million. Words are like a certain person who can't say what they mean, don't mean what they say. Wrap it up for the common good. Let us enlist the neighborhood. It's okay.